it's interesting to see companies starting to get into this too, particularly a bank. What was the rationale?
So I think in this case, their CEO said today at a event that they were actually not planning to become a Bitcoin company or broker, but they just thought that they needed to get ready in case some of their bigger clients get interested in buying Bitcoin. And we've reported earlier this year that they had a prop crypto desk. But so far, they've only been doing derivatives, which is really what other banks have been mostly up to. So it's not a big buy for a bank. 1 million euros is not a lot for a bank, as the CEO said as well. But it is a big signal, right, that they're moving into spot. Because as you know, to buy spot Bitcoin, you need to have the right infrastructure, you need to custody. So the step in, the signal is quite significant.
Is the signal that they're putting it on their balance sheet for investment purposes for themselves, or is the signal more about what they're offering clients, Anna?
They're saying for now it's just a test to make sure that it's something that they have the capability to do. But we've also seen in Europe, and we're expecting more activity from large financial institutions, in part because finally the European Union implemented MiCA, which is this giant package of rules around crypto. So it creates a framework that makes it more easier, or at least more comfortable for financial firms to operate in this asset class.
We only have a minute left here, but it's interesting to see how MiCA is actually encouraging more investment, because there was a fear, wasn't there, that there would be some stifling of certain moves.
Yeah, we're actually hearing probably the opposite, that now as there are rules, they know how to operate within those frameworks. If you don't have rules, you can, you've seen what's happened in the US. You can then have the regulator come and say, actually, we did have rules. Those rules were the ones we had before. And the firms think, actually, those rules don't apply to crypto. So it makes it a bit more dangerous or risky for big banks to operate in the space. So it is a big signal that they made a big spot purchase, even if it's tiny in comparison to how big the market has become now.